Hello, just wanted to share my build with you guys. It is a 1992 300ZX with a 6.2 liter V8. It started off as a L92 but was rebuilt and basically has a LS9 Cam and some CompCam rocker arms. Still connected to the Nissan 5-speed. I used LOJ's hardware to basically drop it in from the motor mounts to all the brackets to keep the Nissan accessories like the alternator and the power steering. The only thing I didn't use was the radiator. The radiator is a custom AFCO. What else? I already said it had a LS9 Cam. I dynoed it at Church Automotive and it made 440 horsepower and 424 pound-feet of torque, I think. I'll send you guys the dyno sheet. But this is pretty much how she looks like right now. I think I'm pretty much finished with modification when it comes to making power. I would like to probably put a supercharger maybe in 2 years or so. But for now, I'm getting used to the power. It's very different from the V6 twin turbo that used to be in here. But yeah, let me know if there's something that you guys would like to see or stuff that I didn't go over on this video. It also has the twin Z rear white fenders, which I'm probably gonna have of course I'm gonna have to get different wheels to fit these fenders a bit better, but I'm broke, so give me some time. But it will have some nice wheels on it soon. Thanks guys.